Your fireplace is more than just a source of warmth. It's the heart of your home. But to get the most out of it, you need the right accessories. Today, we'll dive into the essential accessories for your fireplace that enhance both its functionality and style. First up, Fireplace Tools. A complete set is indispensable for maintaining your hearth. The poker helps adjust burning logs, tongs move hot coals safely, and the shovel and brush keep your fireplace clean and tidy. Safety and style go hand in hand with fireplace screens. They protect your home from sparks and embers while adding a touch of elegance. Choose from various designs to match your decor, ensuring both security and visual appeal. Fireplace grates are essential for efficient burning. By elevating the wood, they promote better airflow, ensuring a hotter and more even fire. Plus, they make ash removal easier, helping you keep your fireplace in top condition. Traditional tools like bellows make kindling a breeze, while ash buckets keep your hearth clean and organized. Together, they add both function and a classic touch to your fireplace setup. With the right accessories, your fireplace becomes a focal point of comfort and style. Invest in these essentials to enhance your fireplace experience and create a cozy, inviting atmosphere in your home. For more tips on fireplace care, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.